What the what the fuck is the shit that I was looking on this something Hungarian poet, but came in my head that first populated Italy is Janus Orff. You know, Janus Pannonis in the time of Hunyadis, who are Valachian origin, but who are, they are Romanians or Roman, Hun. Hunyadis have Hun name. This smells like, you know, this probably John Hunyadi also probably codifies the first Janus populated Italy. Let's see what they say on English speaking. No, he is two-faced. God of be all beginnings, gaze, transition, time, choices, duality, past endings, endings. So the John Hunyadi, all the Jones, all this renewing, because you know John is Noah, Noah. Noah is Noé in Romania, Hungarian, but Noé in German, so new. You know. Or new in Romanian, no, but in plural is said Noé. Read that backward is Jone. You only said in Romania for Jone. Interesting, this already. Diserecti. Duality. Retesting the John name as one letter, which is one. No, it's not duality. That everything mess up some everything. It's like God is one, they pushing right Christianity. The God word in fact is the Hungarian word for two. Even they say, so in the same language, Deo, they call God Deo, but duo in Latin, duality, you know, it means two. But they say God is one. But in the language of Huns, Hungarian, who are the most barbar pagans, they have the one name. So why this everything's fucked up. They made a quick calculation, like, and this also, so, Joe Hunyadi, Kolede, Romanian, Janku de Hunedoara. Hunedoara wanna be the Hunyad castle. Hunyade Var is Hungarian word, like castle of Hunyade. Janku is Jone. They, Romanian, Jone is Jone, but they using this like Janku. I guess it's Serbian also, but Romanian in this case, it's similar goes in Slavic, you know. Look, even the Southern Slavs call it Janko. Janko in Ungarn säger diminutiv för gör. Sibin sepe, Sabin woman repede, rapture, romans fan so you know. Fucking yeah. Janko. Janko similar Enki, you know. Enki Janko. So I said Enki is a knucklehead, but with the intelligence and also with the Eno. Can intelligence. Even can be sure letters, because even in German, for example, the sh is written like in three letters, you know. It can be ha, ka, it can be also again, so, you know. The Enki is Noah, John, and, you know. And they say that, let's say, I want to say on Wikipedia, they say that Janus was first. What is his theology? First king of Latium. He's first, First God. Oh yes, alien Noah. War the gods. You know he's John also, what the fuck? All these planet and shit names. Flame is a flame. Sabine. Sibin Janko. Joe Hunyan, yeah? That fucking, it never existed, this shit like. Fucking. Ja, what I calculated that hier, Enki came, zijn naam bere, Jason, hier. So let's say Enki's Janko. Well, I wanted to say that, so that in a dictionary from 1000, dan het Pierre, dan het boeken. Janus, he said that he saw it's Cotto and that writing of Cotto said was falsified by a third 16th century Annius Obiter who redacted first, you know. Yes, because it seems everything positive about Scythians is fake, right? And he says, because in Cotto he says he was Scythian. Here. Says, look here already somebody. Says Rome and some others says, oh, we come from the others we know of. Of course, the one, what the fuck is it? Where you understand? Ogiges, Giga, Nogi, Anunnaki, Nogi Ungarian Bike. Same as the wardens. Somewhere says that Cotto. Cotto in fragments remaining book was a complaint as if the Scythians did populate Italia that the conduct of Janus and that this prince governed his subject with so good and just laws. Who that his son is Matthias is equally just. Interesting. Just laws that his posterity placed him in the number of immortal gods, put forward his opinion, whatever it says, Janus was a god or king, he was wise and grateful, temperate the manners of his subjects, taught them civility. But Scythians said that the highest moral. Was it of John don't tell you that. So I don't know, maybe Janus is Joe Hunadi, because look, here is one connection to this, so not here, but Anunnaki saying that 7 kings. According to Jason, they lasted this years. From went to Enki went up to heaven. He is the Enki Janko went up to heaven. Janko John Hunadi. Kanat wing Hunadi name can be Kanat. Kijk al intention Kanat wing Turkish. Went up to heaven before the construction of Giza started. Apart of the Mars movement. And it is the Giza and Eagles the Hungar is true, so like justice. And his son follows him and is just. But there was Matthias can be checkmate or something 1 time. See. What they say what Janus. Janus is first here, but I don't know which is the bigger. Rome is ruined, man, is not. Or Maryland. I don't know. But not like the Rome. It's the Tartar. Tartar holds keeps up in Hungary. The Tartars were the beat, it's not the Romans. Romans were who made ruins. Or this since the Golden Age passed and the Perizzians is on our neck. That's the Roman Empire, not God of all beginnings. Noah, start. And Noah is said not in Cato, but in Berossus that Scythians, he says Scythians and Chaldeans called Noah seed of the world and the father of all gods and the chaos of the world, but chaos means primordial universe, you know. So there's some big, huge things. Beginning, gates, well, yeah, gates, Belgrade, gate to Hungary. Transition, you know, the Hungarian kingdom ends, so it's some end, it's crazy. Time, Matthias, Möteletes, time, Thames River in London, Temes is nearby Belgrade River, duality, doorways. Doorstep is Prague, Romania, like Prague, the capital of Czechia, from where Matthias Corvinus, his son, came out from prison and elected on the frozen Danube as king. Endings, the same fucking thing, man. With this Hunyad history. But what I wanted, well, yeah, so here, according to Jason, the 7 kings of Anunnakis lasted in Sumer this years. Noah's foot here, Noah again, Huan. Huan is Enki. And Noah, Enki. And this goes further. Fuck, man. The same amount of years, let's say, with 1 year off, I say that the first Scythian must be lived here or started or whatever, you know, because Herodotus is said, Darius' campaign is put at here or to 6. So when Darius went to Scythia, Herodotus says in that time in his book, how to say, that yes, he says direct, so not more than 1,000 years before Darius' Scythia was empty. So there were no Scythians, how to say. So let's say, and Darius' campaign is put today on 3, but in all their books are so 6. Interesting, the Sabir rules go to Anatolia. Whatever, so let's add put that up, because in Plutarch, first Roman Romulus is said lived 54 years. And 54 and 53 is shitload history, you know. So, put that up, alright. What if the first Scythian target house lived also that year, died here, let's say. Because they say that because, you know. And if I had the fucking this year goes to this, which is interesting, because in after crisis, in Europe, the Hungarians are saying Scythians directly. You know? The Scythians started here and the last Hungarian king dies here. Who has Szapolyai name, sleepy name. The Hunyadi Hungarian is also sleep. You know, it's crazy. So dies here, March 14, when Jesus had something with March 14. Which is interesting with the first Hungarian birth, gives the fucking Rome founded there. Rome started, obviously. You know? So then, in fact, yeah, Rome, if I say Rome is ruined in Hungarian, almost the first Hungarian call it almost, almost the same word, it means collapsed, or means sleepy. Some 8 times. And let's say Jan Nuse, so until here is this collection, right? So the Hungarians are Scythians from this. But if we go like Jason's thing that Enki, or let's say Janku, Enki, Noah, John, went to heaven, so died, I don't know. And the 7 kings of Anunnaki started here, so after Enki, whatever. Goes to this Noah's flood, John, Noah, Juan, Noah, Mohammed also. And look, what the fuck exactly goes there? It's crazy. And I calculated something like, you know, Enki came. number. Jason came from America to Schumacher. And like adding to, what the heck was it? Joe Hunter enters in picture here. And Ayub, you know that Austria will rule the world symbol. Ayub can be Jehovah. In this year, this is Exodus. Not in this year. Here, Joe Hunter is a governor. Where is it? Not fraud. Don't want to know much about it. I'll probably right here or something. The same things, man. They're using in a afterclass period. So I just wanted to know Enki Keynes, Janku, John Hunjadi. Reste John, or what is it? John Juni Ungarn, John Jun, Jelete, La Germa, Johnny Saris, Juni Ungarn Keynes. Enki Keynes, Janku Keynes, let's say. Enters in picture Hunjadi afterclass number here. And this is crazy, so I don't know, man. Here, when the sun eclipse, man. I fucking hell, man. On the fucking dead day of, what is it numbers? Look, has almost, here in Romania was the pico, or I don't know what is it. But this is dead day of Joe Hunjadi, look. It was who says September 10. So, and after these 2 years, September 11, right? So it's clear. Look. So the dead day of Joe Hunjadi, and with Joe Hunjadi enters the picture, wait a fucking minute, also September 10 date. Look. Holy fucking hell, man. Here enters the picture. Here is before also mentioned, but just barely. It's not, it also says for this Bate says the author, but I don't find it on their book. So mostly here. Seg Zar, which can be again, Seg Corner, Curran, Cherny, Blake, Zar, prison, again, prison, some darting, you know, not positive thing. It's like, some closed, crazy. This word means that. Closing, how to say. Here is a battle, internal battle between some Hungarian fractions, because you know, Sigismund died and who will be the king and shit and whatever. The Hunjadi, he stops the battle and whatever, he's some already entered the big picture, how to say. Look here also, and once who says, and Bonfinis, Antonio Bonfinis, the biggest 15th century chronicle about Hungarians, in fact, you know, this is also, yes. Bonfinis, even more bigger than this chronicle. So that says the September 10th, the guy. You know, but here, sun eclipse, August and June of the day, this bate zegt som zegt, en this woord is said is nearly Hungarian or Anglais, you know, corner, current cherny black in Slavic. But in I don't know why, 19th century texts, they use this seg word like black. Okay, so, you know, it's crazy. But it's mostly similar not with black, because Greek are interchange, seg, Söka Hungarian is fucking blonde. But not, you know. So here enters in picture, his son is born, Hungarian can take and, you know, this, and with Enki, and if I put it up, like, Joe Hunjadi can be Janku, Enki, name, you know, John Juan, or whatever you variate. Why goes to this number when it is dark, so everything dark, and you know, Nemesis went out, Hunjadi, everything is black, Valakian origin, PvP vintage, Valak, Polar, black, same word. Last big god, Hunjadi, sleeping god, black army, everything is black, you know how to say. And goes to black, biggest black event on the which can happen on the earth, and the sun is black in it, right? What the fuck goes to that? It ain't his now. I suppose that probably is John Uno di ore that even Janus who went to Italy and populated Italy. But they don't say these things, so Scythian otherwise. I'm Scythian addicted, you know. Scythians, if I put it up to start at here, we target also Tannhausen. Plus this span of 7 kings Anunnakis in Sumer goes to 1 year off with the Andy Sumer, and he's their starter, according to Jason. And he Enki went to heaven. Enki Janku, John. So why this is crazy? Why until that disconnection? The first Scythians the last Hungarian king goes to sleepy name against a fucking and further the connection is like this. First Hungarian blackface, a guy also blackface born. Fucking crazy, man. Goes to where Rome itself was founded. You know? You put it up, Rome was the first. One is killed, but it's probably when he's killed, born, became king, the same things. Not, probably got it, 2 personages or whatever. Why it goes to that, you know? So here, until here, there's an Anunnaki Scythian connection up to here. Where was here? And until now, here, the Hungarian connection. And Rome. But if I go further with that date, or how it was. 900 also in afteklasse Hungarian sapir in Europe. You know? And there was more sapir here in Europe, Byzantium. So if I take this number out, so let's say I cheat 4 years, and I saw in some books that Cimmerian, Sumer, Moor is the same name, American, same name. Also in BC put that sometimes here, Cimmerian, so they were the North Black Sea, the Black Sea. Invaded in South and here in Carpathians, and they were just about Scythian. Look, today conventional day, Hungarian coming. Here in Afterchrist, Parthian Empire, Seashore Empire, part is seashore, like Portugal or Britannia, they are at the seashore interest. But Atlanteans, I heard that they were seashore dwelling peoples. But why not Enki, if I say Janku, goes to this and Joe Hunya these days, blackening, and he's everything black around Corvins, Hunya this. And Hunya the enters picture, and here, after 2 years, September 11, Hunya also died on September 10 or August this, Solarex is on this, and this is the enters picture also September 10. So don't that is not. And even look at first Bella king of Hungary, so I don't know, Bella. Which other was Bello in Slavic means white, or Bello, Alb in Latin also white, so the opposite. And Albus is the first Roman in some version. Put it on 80, like this fucking first Hungarian Albus born. 818, you know. I show it was. He says some Latinus was before him, but Latinus already they mentioned some Latium, king of Latium was Janus, or some shit, I don't know. No. First king of Latium, you know? It's crazy man how they connected it. Further werd hier is Avarhus, who had the ring buildings, Hunya details about ring, but I don't saw yet. Come say, what were they? Comet. Express from heaven. Holy fuck, man, this Anunnaki stories. Here if I cheat that, let's say, Matthias Corvinus was born in this year, Hunya this long winter campaign starts in 42 are his first biggest battles. Look, Avarhus in fucking Avarhus in shiny long-haired Avars. But they don't say this because the Avars were Mongols, and the Mongols cannot have shiny hair because they're bronze. But they don't say this thing, you know. The first battles of Joe Hunyadi, Enki, what? That var hon sa med om något samtidigt, right? Look, further goes it, but in after cross, Hungarian coming again. It is always middle number between the right, so. And the other shit, what the heck was it? But forget it. Söka checks, check name, söka blond, Kozak blond. So this guy is the same, you know. Of course, this Cotto's book, this is said faker of Onius of Viterbo from 16th century because says positive things about Scythian. In later books, this is from 1700. In 800 already, so 1,100 years later, books I saw this mentioned, but it was written depopulated. Like, not it said like this, Donnet says in this lexicon dictionary. There's Scythians did populate Italy under conduct of Janus, but it was said unpopulated, depopulated Italy. You know? So like the Huns, you know, nomads always coming and destroying and shit. This is crazy, man. And what the heck was the other man? But I wanted to say, yeah, Enki goes up to heaven, Joe Hunyadi dies. Big game, man. Well, look. Joe Hunyadi, I say, is Enki, Janku in the Slavic, Romania. Janku, they say Janku, so Janku, you know, Janku, Janusz, whatever. I fucking hate, man. So, the Giza started also, so. And I said already, yes, that Constantinople is same with Belgrade. Look at that's why I'm just saying like that. Constantinople also showed with white walls, so Belloy Grad, you know, white castle. You can find on the for the Christian Crusade from 1202, showed the white castle, and also for this year, I guess. But look how which is the date of Constantinople, and which is of Belgrade. Ended on July 2, and they're using the 53 and 54 numbers. Started here, if you count, is 53 days. You add to May 53 days, not even need to, so it means 2 days, June 32, 22, ends the siege of Belgrade. So, you know, they started on the April, May, fucking, you know, what is it? 53 days and continuing with 54 days. But in fact, we say that the repelling of so the Ottomans burned at midnight castle, and in fact, the war was going already from midnight. In fact, July 21, if you know. And at the morning, for the noon or at the morning, they were defeated or chased out or something. So in fact, July 21, you can say also. So 53 days plus 53 days goes to fucking Belgrade. 3 years difference is the same fucking white castle. So, alright, White Sea is called in Finnish, interesting Finnish, because Fenni-Ungarian is a light. White Sea is called Vienna, so Vienna. But Vienna again has the relative. The Jovan also is variation Serbia for John, you know. Easy. White Sea. It did not translate like fucking this. White Sea is around Finland, Northern. Valkoinen, Valko, Vala black, so what? Mero is black, Mero Moreno is Hispanic is black, Nero Italian black. But they say like this, White Sea is Vienmeri, so not Valkoinen, but Vienmeri. Vienmeri. Or Lithuanian Dvinasi, the divine. But what I wanted to do with this now. Wine, interesting wine, and I guess here in the lexicon he says about Noah cultivated the wine also, so like wine to drink, you know. Hey, signet, which signet? Yeah, you know, these fucking things are. Why I get it to Vienna? Well, I don't know. Yeah, because Constantinopolis, I name it Constantinopolis, right? Which is this castle. This is white castle, not white exactly. But I saw the whatever. So 55 days, 53 May. What the fuck is? All right, 54. Because I make Constantinopolis like Constantinopolis, because I Hungary are not pisane, Polis. You know, it was written Latin like Constantinopolis. They don't put the etymology. And if white background is white, because Belu in Arab or Arab in Latin is white in Slavic, you know. And interesting, white is can be associated with sun because it's light, you know. And yesterday or today, I don't know. I had when I was looking at whites when the first lager and shit. And I saw that in Finnish, it's called in fucking translated like this, which bark was like a black already. But blanc also in French is white, but you take out een letter and they took out the 6th century books. Blanc or black, you know. But here they write like this, but here I saw Vienmeri. Vienmeri. Meri is Moria, it's like German. So like but Vienna, I wanna say, Vienna, BBW vintage and right. Vienna also, Venice, Phoenix, whatever. Geen fucking Hungarian is light. Like geen sound. So Belgrade is fucking Constantinople. And Joe Hunter die died, Belgrade, let's say, whatever, here, and he went to heaven. So let's say died, like Jesus. The Yankee Jesus also, probably. Half of the fucking, or then be their number, let's say, because Giza started to be that which mastermind was Enki, but Jesus says he died. He's not be that, how to say. Divided in two goes like, you know, okay. Let's take the middle number between Enki goes and start of Giza. So again, fucking background is Giza and the wars siege, you know, they're in Constantinople the tours steken. And the background they are defeated. They made up two stories, but that's what they're making. Part of the how to say it, the mentality of a divided empire, like in anything, you know. So it is these two are crazy things. So Enki if I say is Janko, John Hunyadi, Janko, dies, Enki goes to heaven, so dies, or I don't know, went out, immortal. Nemuritor i romanen is Nemuritor was simulator Nimrod. So we are back to again some connection probably, you know. Panther. Nimrod was say Panther. Panther was simulator pain, terra. Pain of the word, sin of the word, Jesus, Sigis, Moon, Singis, Moon, or whatever. Hun John, his father is Sigis Moon of Lux, yeah. So this is a crazy connection if to that John can be Enki, or fucking Enki Jason comes here in picture, let's say from America, to America, and fucking Sun Eclipse and John the day goes to John in the picture history. And this shit happened because I saw with my own eyes this. I was after army. I finished the army here in Romania in February, and it was in the month when I first started to work. Interesting. I had 22 years or something. I fucking cursed that man. I started to work here from August 1. What now best they used it? I saw that look like 40, 20. Exact. Saros. The Shars, Jason. So why it goes to that, and even if I cheat a little bit, let's say, his action starts here. Look, went to the Tartars, man, what the fuck. To September, attention, is there also. Join these first battles, goes to our rooms, the shiny, long-haired our rooms in Constantinople. People were looking on them, they never see people like this. I guess that's who says this. Backwards goes to Hungarians come. Fucking hell. So this, and let's say how the Join is said born here, which gives the small Felix Cycles half of Jason to 69 years. And this goes also interesting with Enki, I guess. 60 goes to Dar's fucking satellite. So I guess, you know, about Joe Hunyad is dead, birth year is no date, but one source says his letter that in this year passed the 60 years, which can be means that he already 69 years or 61 years. You know, but if you say like I passed it, maybe the text even says that I just passed it, you know, so which means he's very close to 60, 61. He dies in 8 years later. He's 69 years, not half of the Phoenix fucking Jason, man. You know? So Joe Hunyadi born here, Sigismund is king of Hungary, second time, first from here, I guess. 5 years before that, interesting includes the great Ange Angevin, which I made him Angel Wing. So Enkis, Anunnakis are so Sumerian things with wings. So interesting, that close also. Enki games, fucking darting again, with Dark Satellite of Jason. Crazy. Well, we must make a short video, but Joe Hunyadi is Enki. Probably that Janus also. King of fucking water. Latium, Latis season in Hungarian, but Visio in Latium, Byzantium. Latium is Byzantium also. Everything messed up. It's other Rome. Yeah, and the Constantinople capital. Crazy. Ottomans were some sea people, I say. The Vikings can be the nomad invasions, can be anything. So Anunnaks, whatever. And further goes to 66, I guess. Fucking. Come on, man. 65, whatever. Sigismund is king from here. Or no, Mary. Whatever, you know, what the fuck happened, I don't know, after 66. Some Karadzic is interesting, I guess. Karadzic first sect in Islam. Look, I put it around here. Where an Islam sect we made in the first fitna. So here start, I said, judgment. All defeated. Hier secret for revenge. So started something, probably. Courage the checks again. Courage, as I said, probably they are the Baturis. So interesting, the Baturis enter mostly in picture in sources in earlier, but in mostly in like you know, with more description, enter in the time of Hunyadis in picture. Baturis. Because Courage, courage in Romanian is bravery. But brave in Hungarian is Batur. Or Batur, you know. You know, and again, some sect, when you see some sect is always pocket in the heretics or I don't know what, you know, peasant revolts and shit. Jews always chased and other people's, even my tribe and Scottish also, rebellious, you know, Cossacks also. Czechs in Hungarian history are always negative also, but which is BS because the Czechs looks like the big kids, like the Finnish other like. You know, but if they were these destroyers and criminals and shit, this is mentally this. So here I should read some sources about this. interesting around this date, you know. Look, so around here. 61, Karijites, not Karajites, whatever. Moesten Mekkan, caravan, en moesten ze naar de koor winnen. You know. Wat was dan ander? Look, goes when Asturias Kingdom founded, was the most center Hispania. Look, 3 years off, they put, wait a minute. Cornerstone appears here at Jason, Nemesis goes out, Nibiru, Boru, Claudi. They put around here. Also Hispania was conquered by Moors and the northern part was formed Asturias Kingdom. Look. So that is also something. Quran also, the Quran also, why has the Kuranelities? Like I say, Kurane, Cherny in Slavic is black. Fucking hell, man. Look, Russia, Cherny, Kerny.
Чорний.
They say Chorny, but the right letter, which can be Hungarian is C, together with this can be Ch, can be K, so whatever. Je weet, de Koran is some blackening, plus they have the Kabbal stone or what I think. So it is black also. Allah, read that back for Hungarian Halal, which is dead, or Hollow, Raven, again black. This is crazy. Everything with Jason's things since, I know this Phoenix, it makes it more crazy, the things. So these 3 things, let's recapitulate. Even this, so this Enki appears, Enki will probably Janko. Let's check down, that is interesting also. That the poet. Janko, Enki, Janko, Noah, Juan, John, Juan, Noah, Enosh, Janusz, Enoch, Enosh, Enki, it's the same fucking. Minus John they enter the picture, September 10. Goes to sun eclipse, but which is John is that day. But who has one major chronicle in September 10. If we enter the picture also September. Fucking yeah. Plus 2 years later we have September 11. Right? And if here we cheat a little bit, we put this here, Junior the enters biggest body, just minor body, some internal conflict. His biggest body versus Ottoman start here. Look, Avar Hunse, who var med interesting, Anunnaki, Avar, Konitai, Konit, Kanat Hunyadi. Kanat Hunyadi name, Turkish is Vinge, Kon is horse in Slavic, so Vinget, Polish Usas probably, And Ur is Lord in Hungarian. Pan in Polish, but Pan is feather in Romania. Shiny long-haired Avar center in Byzantium, where it was Black Plague interesting. It's again something in the time of Black Plague in Theophilanus Chronicle, I don't remember. They entered in Byzantium. Further goes up to here, in BC, there is another connection thing. So in Abaris, similar to Avar and Avar, everything Abaris. Arab name. Was interesting. Avar center in Hungary here, and Mohammed is said born I saw what they say here, but I saw this also, whatever. The biggest Arab born, It is like Yazes enter in Hungary, but Yazes Jesus is born in other place, around 00. Yazes, the normal center in Hungary. He liked Arab center in Hungary, but not here, but other places born Mohammed. Same fucking things, man. But you must sometimes look in very, very simple way on the things. Otherwise, with all this mess, you get. So even Avares named people who centered in Constantinople, but in BC, the biggest only Hyperborean called Avaris goes to Greece. He went a little crazy. And if tripled times goes to, I don't know where. Look, goes to a number which is as ending. So let's recapitulate again. Skythians from here, dan goes to Hungarian connection. Last Hungarian in the after was that here. But with JSON's this data goes to 7 kings on like is ending Shumer, so again they started 1 year off. And then key Janku, you know. And Skythian started Roman connection like this. Rome founded, but Janus in Rome said king of Latium. In the book was so Latius and Latium, I call it Latinus of Latin name it king. He said legendary for some Albus Silvius, but Albus White, so opposite of Blake, is the first. That Albus was put on 81-8. So like the fucking Hungarian on this black face. You know? So Janus must be dead. Enki, Janko, also. Plus the other is this collection. Enki, Joe Hunyadi born, Janko born, Enki came there, born and came, goes to another dark thing, goes to 666. Again, and another dark thing. Satan's number, right? Fucking hell. Well, let's say Satan's number and first king of Skythians is say Target House, but in other versions is Tanais, the river, you know. So let's say 666, what the fuck? Well, he gives the after Christ, when almost the first Hungarian that born here, blackface, dies. Here the Huns after Christ, even in Bonfini says, puts that of Joe Hunyadi on September 10, says that the Huns were in Gallia at this day. So not here this day. Fucking hell. All these fucking things are it. Here also some. Alright, Sibin, Sabin, Bomer, Rapture, Rome founded. The same fucking stuff written. After class history and before class history, they're all the same. So, like, Fomenko style, but putting with JSON stuff also. But JSON not always fit that. Alright, that's it. Valaki, of course, but they don't say that. See, some the Luxembourg, whatever. But alright, that's it.